All right, yesterday we joined this platform and I told you guys within 3 days we are going to accumulate not less than 1 million coins within 3 days, and it haven't even reached that 3 days. We have already accumulated 4 million coins from this hamster convert, and not only that, my profit per hour have changed from what we have yesterday to 22.9k. You can see it. So the technique I used to get this 4 million instantly is very easy, which I'm going to be reviewing to you in this video, and also going to be sharing with you how you can easily skyrocket this hamster convert instantly. First and foremost, I told you guys your focus should not be on the coins you're going to be getting, that your focus should be on your profit per hour, right? Now, on that profit per hour, yesterday, after I accumulate little, I use it to purchase this, all right? I use it to purchase this one. From this one, I use it to purchase this one. And that's how I keep using the coins to process that yesterday, like 5 times. And this morning, their card came up, okay, which is the first card, the second card, and the third card. If you're able to meet up with this card, you are going to be getting 5 millions every day. As you can see, this one is loading already. Tomorrow again, we are going to claim this. If you want to be getting this update and how you can get this 5 million coins every single day without struggling or tapping anything, then subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification, so that once I drop the video tomorrow, you're going to be notified and you're going to be first to claim your 5 million coins instantly. Okay, you can just join only claiming and leave tapping. Okay, and once you claim like this, I claim 5 million and they gave me the 5 million. I use it to buy some coins, that's why it's still reduced. Okay, now in claiming this 5 million is very simple. To meet up with the three this thing they are going to be bringing tomorrow, I will show you the card that you have to purchase tomorrow, that they will give you that 5 million with as little as you have on your coins here. You can use it to purchase these three cards, and the card will convert and give you 5 million, and you can be converting 5 million every single day, right? So guys, that's how you're going to work on this website. If you have not joined yet, what are you waiting for? Don't wait till you see people cashing out before you come and say, I know. Join now that you have the opportunity and start cashing out. What do you do? It's easy to join. I'm going to leave the link of this website in the description of this video you're watching right now. All you have to do is to tap on the link, and once you tap on the link, but before you tap on the link, you must have Telegram on your mobile phone, and once you tap, it's going to take you to your Telegram and you're going to see something like this. All you have to do is to click on play, and once you click on play, instantly they are going to give you 5,000 coins bonus instantly, and start from there. You have to tap, but you don't need to be tapping. Okay, all you have to do is to just join all this mining and start mining. Use the 5,000 they gave you to start mining. All right, I'm going to be leaving a link of a video that's going to guide you on how you can do everything, because I've compiled a video on how you can start as a beginner from 0 to 1 million coins in a day or in 2 days. And the video is going to guide you, the same video that I did yesterday before I skyrocketed to 1 million today or 5 million today, and the same video is still there. So I'm going to be leaving a link for you in the description or in a comment. All you have to do is to watch the video, and it's going to guide you on how you can also skyrocket your own instantly from 0 to 1 million in just a day, and you can join these coins every single day. So I think we have come to the end of this video. If you first one, feel free to ask in the comment section, and if you find this video very interesting, make sure you give this a thumbs up, like and subscribe, turn on the bell notification. See you next time in our next video. Peace out.